Welcome to our guide on how to create a charming vintage-inspired dining area that will transport you back in time. Today, we'll show you simple steps to infuse your space with the elegance and nostalgia of a bygone era. Step 1. Select your foundation. Start with a neutral color palette for walls and furniture, allowing your vintage elements to truly shine. Rich creams, pastel shades, or soft grays work wonderfully. Step 2. The right furniture. Opt for vintage or vintage-inspired furniture to set the tone. A weathered wooden dining table with intricate carvings pairs beautifully with mismatched chairs for an eclectic touch. Step 3. Textured accents. Introduce vintage textiles to add warmth and texture. Lace doilies, embroidered table runners, or delicate fabric napkins evoke a sense of timeless elegance. Step 4. Charming table settings. Hunt for antique or vintage-style dinnerware and glassware. Mix and match patterns, and consider adding ornate silverware for an extra touch of refinement. Step 5. Captivating centerpieces. Create eye-catching centerpieces with fresh flowers in vintage vases. Choose classic blooms like roses or peonies for a touch of romance. Step 6. Ambient lighting. Enhance the ambience with carefully chosen lighting. Vintage chandeliers, wall sconces, or even candle holders can add a soft, warm glow to the space. Step 7. Artful wall decor. Adorn your walls with vintage artwork, framed botanical prints, or antique mirrors to give your dining area a sense of history and character. And there you have it, a perfectly curated vintage-inspired dining area